Sure, my name is Mike Shivas. I work for Electronic Arts. So we have a successful app on other social networks, and we see social networks as a reach medium right now. So the choice to go to OpenSocial is to basically reach more users than the ones we currently reach, and just to make sure to get our application in the hands of as many people as we possibly can.
And which features of OpenSocial appeals to and makes it easier?
A couple of features that we found really useful are signing through the make request method that allows us to validate requests without knowing which container they came from. When they're signed, we know that they come from a valid container, so that saves us a lot of time. It's just all the social features that allow for viral spread of an application, because that's kind of how our business is based on viral spread of our apps through people enjoying them and then sending them to their friends. So primarily the back end we use Java, and on the front end we use almost exclusively Flash 10. We develop very feature-rich gaming applications, so Flash allows us to do a lot of animation and cool features that would be harder to do in traditional web technologies.
And what features are missing?
So far we haven't really felt that anything is missing. We have everything we need to make our games successful through OpenSocial. We would recommend that you guys continue to do really solid documentation, and sample code is really key for us. And one other feature that I think we would find very useful is additional debugging information, especially through make requests when we're using signing, so that we know that whatever we're sending is getting to our server.
And do you have any big obstacles that you encountered?
Just learning the iGoogle platform and dealing with the development environment, which was, it's not released yet. I don't know if it's in beta or pre-beta, but sometimes that would not be too stable, so that would impact our development efforts. But beyond that, it's been great to work with. So we decide that a user is retained if they come back to play a game within 30 days. So monthly active users is how we gauge the success of our app. Right. So we have a really strong commitment to quality at EA, so the products we ship have to be, really polished. So we spend a lot of our time on debugging and really polishing them, so that our users, when we launch, get like the best experience, and that's an experience that they then want to share with their friends around the internet. So primarily it's debugging and polishing before launch, because we want to launch strong. And we also we spend a lot of time on scaling the back end too, because we want it to be really high uptime, and we want it to be responsive and snappy. So that's a major focus for us too.
Any war stories you'd like to share? Difficulties?
Yeah, having a very successful application can be stressful, because you have hundreds of thousands of people a month come to play it. So you really have to have confidence that the thing will scale easily, or you'll end up being a victim of your own success, which is kind of a nice position to be in, but also can be challenging for the whole team.
Okay, well, thanks for your time.
Well, thanks for having me, and thanks for the free phone.